What's up guys, you're watching India Today Tech. I'm Rahul Sethi, and in this video I'm going to unbox the iPhone XR. It's the cheaper of the three smartphones that Apple launched this year, and we have the 256GB variant with us. That costs 91,900 rupees. The other two variants, that is the 128GB variant, costs 10,000 rupees less, that is 81,900, and the 64GB comes at 5,000 rupees less, that is 76,900. So the major difference with the iPhone XR compared to the iPhone XS is the fact that it has an LCD panel. The other two phones run an OLED display. So first thing in the box we'll see is a welcome note, and that also acts as a quick start guide to tell you all about the product and how to set it up. Then you have a SIM ejector tool, then safety information and warranty information and some regulatory information from Apple and some Apple stickers as well. Next is the phone itself, and we have the black color variant with us. The phone comes in many other color variants. There's white, blue, yellow and even red available for the iPhone XR. Let's keep it aside and take a look at the other box contents. The package has a standard 5V adapter and a pair of earphones that are wired and have a lightning connector with them. And then there's of course the USB to lightning cable. Since the phone does not have a headphone jack, you will need a separate adapter if you want to attach regular headphones with it, and Apple does not bundle the same with the smartphone. Anyways, let's take the wraps of the iPhone XR and take a look at its design, which is very similar to that of the iPhone XS. You get a glass back and a single camera with LED flash that is dual tone. At the bottom you get a lightning port and speaker grills, and the speaker setup is actually a dual one, so you get speakers built inside the earpiece as well. There is no fingerprint scanner at the back, as was with the case with iPhone X as well, but you do get Face ID with the smartphone. Let's turn it up and take a look at the full specs of the iPhone XR. So iPhone XR has a notch display that has a 6.1 inch size, and as you know, it is slightly different from the iPhone XS because it's not an OLED panel, and that is one of the major reasons how Apple could make it cheaper. Also, the phone comes with dual SIM like the iPhone XS, but the second SIM is embedded inside. Also, you'll notice since it's an LCD panel, Apple has not been able to so drastically reduce the bezels as it was able to on the iPhone XS or the iPhone X. You'll see there are still borders on the corners, and though it does have a notch display and the bottom bezel is also quite thin, achieving that with an LCD panel is in a task in itself. Also, the Face ID is similar to that on the iPhone XS, and the speed of the unlock you'll see is more or less similar to the previous iPhone. Out of the box, the iPhone XR runs iOS 12.0.1, so the features you will get are similar to that of the iPhone XS. There are a lot of preloaded apps on the phone, and other features also remain the same. That is, if you swipe from the right, you'll get the toggles, and if you swipe from left, you'll get the notification panel. Also, if you swipe from the bottom, you'll get the recent applications running in the background, and if some app is open, you just need to swipe up to close it. Now let's quickly take a selfie from the iPhone XR. So it has come out to be clean and sharp in one go. The iPhone XR also comes with a true tone display feature. That is, you'll see the display has a yellowish tinge right now, but let's turn it off from the settings menu and see how the actual tone of the display looks like. So this feature turns the display tone a bit warmer or colder compared to the ambient light, and as soon as you turn it off, the display comes out to have its normal colors. So the iPhone XR is a well-built, exquisitely made iPhone that comes with same A12 Bionic chip, selfie camera, primary rear camera, and features like IR based face unlock. Three different things on the XR is that it has aluminum frame instead of a stainless steel one, has a single rear camera instead of a dual camera, and the display size and type is also different compared to the iPhone XS. But The iPhone XR sits right between the iPhone XS and the XS Max in terms of size. It's neither small nor too big and tries to give you best of both worlds. But it could be more or less appealing depending on your preference. Let us know what you think about the cheaper iPhone in the comment section below. Also, if you've liked this video, hit the thumbs up button and share it with your friends. Subscribe to our channel to get latest videos on technology, smartphones and other gadgets like this. Thank you for watching.